Hello everyone, my name is Akash Kashyap and today in this video we're going to do the unboxing of Honor Magic Watch 2, which is a 46mm variant, and the color which I received is the charcoal black color. The packaging is done very nicely, and the first thing which we see is the Honor logo with the Honor Magic Watch 2 on front, and here is a section which do not come out. So here we have all other things, and first of all let's just see that how is the watch. And it looks nice, very nice, and the strap is also very good. So let's just keep this aside, and we have a USB type C cable bundled with it and a charging dock. Also we have some paperwork, that is a quick start guide and a warranty card. So guys, these are the inbox contents of this Honor Magic Watch 2, and let's just keep all these things aside, and let's see how the watch is. So guys, as I told you that the strap quality is very good. There is a silicone strap, and uh, this is metal guys, with the Honor branding. And guys, we get the OLED capacitive touch screen with it, and here's the power button, and this is another button which is used for other functions. Here we have the heart rate sensor, and this back is ceramic guys, and here we have the speaker, and this must be the mic. So let me just power this on, and here we have the Honor logo. And guys, let me tell you that this screen is very bright, very nice, and we have so many language support in it. So I'm just gonna select English, and now it's asking me to pair my Honor smartphone with it. So guys, I paired my Honor 10 successfully with it, and here you can see that its heart rate sensor is on, and it's blipping that green light. And you can see guys that it's monitoring it with my finger. Here's the stress monitoring, and some other activities are there. Also you can play music in the watch itself. You can control volume. And guys, we have many watch faces in this smartwatch, which is Honor Magic Watch 2. So guys, I explored it in the Huawei Health app, and I found that I can install up to 70 watch faces, and there are so many standby faces too, uh, which comes with the Honor Magic Watch 2, and you can install any kind of watch face which you like. And guys, apart from that, a very unique feature is this, that you can select your own gallery picture and set it as the watch face in this Honor Magic Watch 2, and which is a very unique feature. Let me just show you that I selected one of my photo, and it came as a watch face, and I'm really very impressed by this feature. Look at it guys. Look at the watch. So guys, this was the unboxing and first impression of this Honor Magic Watch 2 46mm variant, and I hope that you like the video. So give this video a like, and subscribe to Akash Kashyap. Thank you for watching the video.